Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can model your PC repairing room architecture in Blender 3D. First of all, press A, select everything and press X and delete it. Now go to Edit and then Preferences. Now in the add-ons, search Home Builder add-on and enable this add-on. Now press N and bring the property panel, and here you can see this is our Home Builder add-on. Now go to the angle and then select Draw Walls and draw our room. And successfully we draw our room. Now select every wall of this room, right click, convert to mesh, and now you can see all these walls are mesh object. Now go to the current room option, click on the collect wall and add a floor, and here you can see this is our floor. Now let's decorate our room with some models. You can download your favorite models and decorate it according to your adjustment. I am going to use my models. First of all, let's add a shelf model, and this is our shelf. Now select the move tool and move it here. After placing it here, drag it this side. After that, scale it along X direction like that, and after Y direction and place it here. Now let's add a PC system. So this is our PC system. Grab it this side and place it here. Now press Shift D, duplicate it and place it here. Now select these two, press Shift D, duplicate it and place it here. Now select four of them, press Shift D, duplicate it and place it here. Now press Shift D, duplicate these four and place it here. Now select this one, press Shift D, duplicate it. Now select the rotate tool, rotate it like that. Now select the move tool and place it here. Now press Shift D, duplicate it again and place it here. Now select these two, press Shift D, duplicate it and place it here. Now let's add a monitor screen. So this is our monitor screen and this is our monitor screen. Select the move tool and move it here and place it here. Now press Shift D and duplicate it and place it here. Now select the rotate tool and rotate it a little bit. Now select this system, press Shift D, duplicate it and place it here. Now let's add a decorative cupboard, and this is our low poly decorative cupboard. Drag it this side and place it here. I think this look perfect now. Now let's add a wall clock. In the Blender kit add and search the wall clock. I think this wall clock look perfect. Left click and download it. And when this clock download properly, grab it upside and place it here and rotate it according to your wall. Now select the move tool and place it here properly. Now let's add a dustbin. So this is our low poly dustbin. Grab it this side and place it here. Now press Shift D, duplicate it, grab it this side and place it here. I think this place is perfect for it. Now let's add a big table so where we can keep our system and monitor screen for repairing. And this is our big table. Now grab it inside and place it here. Now let's add two different kind of chairs. So this is our chairs. First of all, select this chair, grab it this side and place it here. Now select this chair, press Shift D and duplicate it and place it here. Now grab it this side, select the rotate tool and rotate it like that. Now select the move tool and place it here. Presses and scale it a little bit. Now let's put some pieces and monitor screen on our table for repairing. And this is our PC system for repairing. Grab it this side and place it here. Presses and scale it a little bit and place it here. Now select this PC monitor. Press Shift D, duplicate it and place it here. Now press Shift D, duplicate it, grab it this side, select the move tool. Now go to rotate tool and rotate it like that and place it here. Now select this system, press Shift D, duplicate it and place it here. Now let's add a mouse pad. So this is our mouse pad, place it here. Now select the rotate tool and rotate it like that and place it here. Now press Shift D, duplicate it and grab it here. Now select the rotate tool and rotate it and place it like that. Now select these two pieces system, press Shift D, duplicate it and place it here. Now let's add another big table, and this is our another big table. Place it here and scale it along y-axis. Now select this chair and place it here. Now press Shift D, duplicate it and grab it this side. Now select the rotate tool and rotate it along the direction like that and place it here. Now in the Blender kit add and search the monitor, and this monitor look fine. Left click and download it, and after it become download properly and place it properly. Now select the rotate tool and rotate it like that. Now select the move tool and place it here. Now let's search for a keyboard, and I think this keyboard would be fine. Left click and download it, and here you can see our keyboard has downloaded successfully. Place it here and grab it with Z direction a little bit. Select the rotate tool and rotate it like that. Now select the move tool and place it here. Now let's search for a mouse. I think this mouse would be perfect. Left click and download it, and after it become download properly, drag it this side, press it and scale it a little bit and grab it up with Z direction and place it here properly. Now let's add a board for our wall, and this is our wall board. Drag it this side and place it here. Now press shift D, duplicate it and place it here, and we successfully added two boards on our wall. Now select all these wall, go to material property, and in the surface select principal BSDF and choose your desired color and decrease the roughness, and our wall material has applied properly. Now let's import some posters, and here it is. This is some poster for our wall. Now grab it inside and place it here perfectly. Now select these poster, press shift D and duplicate it, press S and scale it down and place it here perfectly. I think now it's look like good. And here it is. This is our low poly PC repairing room. And here it is. This is our low poly PC repairing room architecture in Blender 3D. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like button and tell us your reaction in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.